Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to change channels on Roku without remote. Let's go. Your TV and your phone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Find and install the Roku app on your phone. Open Roku app. Select your Roku device. Open Roku Virtual Remote. Use Roku Virtual Remote to switch channels. That's it. Now you know how to change channels on Roku without remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.